What's up guys, welcome back to a new episode. So today, since the car is completely painted, the roll cage is ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on everything that's related to the engine bay. So over here I gotta install the ABS, the brake booster, the clutch pedal. All that stuff's gotta go in there before the engine goes in. And also I got this little mess of brake lines over there too on the floor, which I gotta go ahead and install because they run right here. They go down along this frame rail and then they dive down and back. But I'm not liking the way this looks. If I put this over here, see, this looks like crap. So what I'm thinking is I'll probably go ahead and bite the bullet and order the copper line, so it's like easy to bend by hand, and I'm gonna make my own lines. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on that. Alright, next up is the pedals. Got brake, gas, and clutch. So let's go ahead and hop inside the car here and get those installed. Be very careful not to scratch the paint. Okay, so Amazon let me down again. I'm not getting the fittings for the brake line yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the engine. I got it out here on the crane, so I'm gonna put you on the time lapse and get that thing installed. Alright guys, I'm back to work on the speed here. So I was messing around with some of these brake lines. Some of you saw the post on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, that's on you. You're doing that to yourself. So I guess what we're gonna do now is complete the brake lines that are missing. So as you can see here, I'm missing 4 more lines. So 2 of these go over here, and then these goes to the back of the car, and then the other two goes to one of the front tires. So I'm just gonna walk you through how I do them in case you don't know how that's done, and yeah, we'll take it from there. All right, so here I got my 316 copper tube for the brake line, and I got my stainless steel nut here. So funny thing enough, these are in millimeters. The tube is in 3/16, but it's also the same as I think it's a 4 millimeter or 4.75 millimeter. So it all works, if you can see right here. And it's a bubble flare. So anyways, so I'm just getting my enough length on this material so that I don't run short. Cut it and then start bending it and put the bubble flare on it. So I'm gonna show you how I do that now. Alright, so that's one line down. Got a whole lot to go. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and prep the brakes. I already cleaned them up and give it the first kind of rough sanding. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish up all these little shiny edges that I didn't get to. So I'm gonna sand those down and then put some tape on the pistons and spray some paint. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead here and start working on the final assembly of the suspension on here. So this was just for the moment, but these bolts are gonna get swapped for a longer bolt so I can have a cutter pin at the end, so in case of vibrations and this nut comes off, it's not gonna fall apart. And also I gotta put some thread locker on that too, just, you know, extra precautions. Let's see what else. Gotta install the brake. Finish up the installation here. That's all loose. The end link. So yeah, got quite a bit of work here. So I'm gonna start doing that. Alrighty, so I got the brakes and the suspension all finished up. I also got all the brake lines completed. You can see them right there. Back in there. So the next thing is, well, my wife helped me put up the doors and the hatch and all that, so I didn't record that because that's boring anyway. But I'm gonna keep on working in here now. I'm gonna install the ECU, the battery box, and the fuel tank. Alright guys, this is gonna be it for this video. She is put together the most in the past 2 years. It's crazy that over 2 years already went by, but it's coming together already. Next thing you know, she'll be fired up and driving. So for next video, got a surprise for you guys, so you're gonna have to wait for it. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna end it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.